What's the meaning of crackerjack? Crackerjack. Crackerjack.
Crackerjack. Crackerjack. The term crackerjack refers to someone who is exceptionally skilled or proficient at something. The word can be used to describe someone who is excellent at a particular task, such as a skilled athlete or a talented musician. It can also be used to describe someone who is very knowledgeable in a particular field of study, such as a crackerjack programmer or scientist. Overall, the term crackerjack is typically used in a positive context and implies a high level of skill or expertise.